Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of KDE Wallpapers, specifically focusing on the forgotten gems from KDE 4. With the release of KDE Plasma 6 and its striking new wallpaper, desktop customization is back in vogue. Here at your channel name, we've always had a soft spot for KDE wallpapers, especially those that came from community contests during the KDE 4 era. These wallpapers are not only beautiful, but also carry a sense of history and community spirit. KDE 4 introduced many iconic wallpapers that have stood the test of time. These wallpapers were often the result of community contests, bringing together artists and enthusiasts from all over the world to contribute their creative visions. The wallpaper contests held during the KDE 4 era were a fantastic way for the community to get involved. Artists submitted their designs, and the KDE community voted on their favorites. This process not only ensured a high level of artistic quality, but also fostered a sense of belonging and participation among KDE users. Let's take a closer look at some of these unforgettable wallpapers. Horos by David Vignoni. This wallpaper features a stunning, serene landscape with a touch of abstraction. It's a perfect blend of simplicity and elegance. Elarun by Nuno Pinheiro. This vibrant and dynamic wallpaper is full of energy and color. It represents the innovation and creativity that KDE 4 aimed to bring to the desktop environment. EOS by Vlad Gerasimov. Known for its beautiful, ethereal design, EOS captures a sense of calm and wonder, making it a timeless piece for any desktop. Finally, Summer in Germany, submitted by Kenneth. This wallpaper brings the warmth and joy of summer to your screen with vibrant colors and a cheerful atmosphere. Code Poet's Dream. This artistic wallpaper features a dreamy, poetic design that speaks to the creative spirit of the KDE community. Curls on Green, submitted by josephconnors. We really love this guy. 4 of his macro pictures won. That's totally awesome. Greenish wallpaper for those who love green. Hey Sebas. Fresh Morning, submitted by Pablo León-Asuero. I personally just love the drop and how the green of the leaf blends with the background, don't you? Ladybuggin, submitted by Rick Hanley. One of the first submissions and one of my favorites. Love the perfect reflection of the ladybug's body. Leaf's Labyrinth, submitted by Yaconelli. It's astonishing, complex, and utterly beautiful what nature holds for us if we take a close look at the details. Red Leaf, submitted by josephconnors. Red leaf on red background. Lovely. Emotion, drawn by Vlad Gerasimov. Blue abstract moire wallpaper. Something that really makes you wow. These wallpapers are not just relics of the past. They remain highly relevant and stylish even today. Their design quality and artistic value make them timeless pieces that can enhance any modern desktop setup. With KDE Plasma 6 bringing desktop customization back into the spotlight, there's no better time to revisit these iconic KDE 4 wallpapers. Whether you're a longtime KDE user or new to the scene, these wallpapers offer a piece of history and a splash of beauty for your desktop. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on the KDE community and the world of Linux desktops. See you next time.